Maybe you already know this, but maybe you don't. Over 53 million children have been killed by abortion since January 22nd, 1973. That's literally a third of this generation. Over 3,500 babies are aborted every day in America. Put it like this: by the time you finish watching this video, 2 babies will have been aborted. Maybe you've seen a graphic slideshow that made you feel terrible about abortion. Maybe you even know someone whose life has been affected by abortion. Maybe you're passionate about stopping abortion, but maybe you feel powerless to do anything about it. Well, here's something you can do. Vote. Simple, but extremely powerful. And no maybes about it. You can make a difference by voting pro-life. And you know that in order to vote, you have to register, right? So take action now by registering at www.bemyvote.com. For more information, check out www.bemyvote.com.